Hey guys, what's going on? This is the Diecast Collector and I'm back with a new video of my Hot Wheels unboxing and review. So this time we have the 2017 Nissan GTR. It's the grey color variant. It's from the Nightburner series, as you can see, and it's a 1 out of 10 of the collections. So let's open the car. It's a nice car with really good graphics. Let's peel off the back cover. Here we go. So here we have the car itself. It's nice with grey color. It's all over grey, and you have the black tints. The windows has black tints with this nice spoiler, and there are extremely good detailings at the back. I'll just focus my camera over to see. You can see that the taillights are red in color, and we've also written here GTR, and we also have the logo at the front, the GTR logo, and the two headlights, and there are good cuts of the door at the sides, both sides of the car. Overall, it's a nice car. We also get this car featured in the Need for Speed games, and I have played the game, and it's really good driving this car. So I absolutely love this, and you can see that I think there are more variants of this color. I think there's an orange color of this variant, but I didn't found it. So here you go with the grey color one. So thank you guys for viewing my Hot Wheels review of Nissan GTR, and hope you liked my video. Please do like, subscribe, and if there's any comment, please leave it down below. Thank you.